today I want to explain NTSC mock test 4 solutions. Okay. So first question is Kiran is coded as ARNKI and Kumar is coded as what? This is the first question. So actually, first of all, in this Kiran word, give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because, but in this code also that same letters only interchanging the places. That's why I'm giving numbering. So now here A is nothing but which place? Fourth place. And R is nothing but third place. N is fifth place. K is first place and I is second place. Same as usual, the Kumar also code give like that only. So first of all, I'm giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now here numbering in this code is same pattern 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. What is the fourth digit? Fourth digit is A. What is the third place? Is M. Fifth place is R. First place is K. Second place is U. So AMRKU is the answer. Okay. So next I'm going to explain second question. See, Anirudh is coded as NAVEHQU. Then Switzerland coded as what? Once you need to observe, this is ANNAIVERHUDQHU. These all are called as off pair series. Already I told you in the previous videos. So like AN means ANR. Okay, remain the word ANR, then AN will come. And again IV means Indian values. ER means earrings. And how are you? And here dockyard. And again how are you? So these letters like off pair series. So similarly here Switzerland code is this. Why? Because this is called as per second. So next jar of water, Indian valleys. So this is grand test or GST. So then next here MZ means Maza, ER means earrings, ER means earrings, LY lily flower, and AN means ANR, and again NA ANR, and DQ means docket. So off pair series. So that's why the final result is this FJVGMR EYNAQ. So in that option, second option is the second one solution. So next I'm going to explain third solution. Next third question is, so according to the question, so here for R is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 13, 27 minus rth letter is the code. Means first of all you need to write first of all A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So this is nothing but up to 13 only, no? So based on that, but here 27 minus R, 27 minus 1 means what? It is nothing but 26 only, no? 26 means it is nothing but Z only, no? This. Okay. So similarly, if it is 27 minus 2 is nothing but 25 only, no? 25 is nothing but Y only, no? So it will come like this only, no? So then next what will come here? So this is nothing but what will come here? 27 minus 3 means 27 minus 3 is nothing but 24 means X. So next W will come. So next V, next U, next T. So similarly S, 19, 18 is R, and 17 is Q, and next 16 is P, 15 is O, and 14 is N. Okay, so these are the letters. So this is one form. If you are using here 27 minus R, so these are. So similarly, next R is equals to 14 to 26 means first here what is the 14? 14 is nothing but N only, no? N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z only, no? But here what is that code? R plus 13th. R plus 13th means here N is nothing but 14 only, no? So 14 plus 13 is nothing but how much? It is nothing but 27. So 27th letter means here subtract 26 means 1 only means it is nothing but A only, no? So similarly, if it is R plus 13th means here O is equals 15 only, no? 15 plus 13 is nothing but 28. 28 minus 26 means 2 means it is nothing but B only, no? So now, but here gradually what letters will come? Using that R plus 13 means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So this is the second order. That second order using this. Okay. So this is the second order. So now in this third question is socialist code I want. But here what is the S code? S code is what here? F only, no? S code is F only, no? Next O. What is the O code? O code is B. And L. L code is what? L code is O. FBO. Okay. So next similarly what is the I code? Code of I. Where is I? I is nothing but R. And C code is X. And I code is again R. And T code is, where is T code? T code is G. So this is the answer. FBO, RX, RG based on this. Okay. So then similarly, next, which word is coded for this? IBO, HGB. Okay. But coded means in the reverse, means decoding process you need to follow. But where is the decoding? I means here. I is nothing but here V only, no? V is coming, no? So next, so similarly B. B means O only, no? So next, O. I want O. Where it is O? O is nothing but L only, no? So O is coded. That original letter is L. Okay. So similarly, next H. Where it is H? H means U only, no? The next G. Where it is G? G is nothing but T only, no? T. The next V. Where is V? V. V is nothing but E only, no? So volute. Volute is the original word, right? So similarly, which word is the code for companion? Companion means, so see here, what is C code? C code is X, and O code is what? O code is B, and M code is N, and P code is C, and A code is Z, and N code is, where is N code? N code is A, and I code is R, and O. What is O code? O code is B, and what is N code? N code is again A only. So this is XD, NC, ZA, RDA is the code for companion. Okay. So this is about 3 to 5 questions. Next I am going to explain 6th question. See this model. So next 6th to 9th questions as one model. Okay. So once see the paragraph. So letters are given, the digits or symbols are given on particular column. So based on that, some conditions are given. Based on the conditions, you have to solve that. Okay. So first of all, first condition is in the given word, first letter is vowel and the last letter is consonant. In the both the letters, you are using the symbol star. Okay, that is the first condition. So second condition is first letter is consonant, second letter is last letter is vowel, then both the codes are interchanged. That is the second condition. Third condition is first and last letters are vowels. So then in the time that code is using the two letter first letter code only used for that first and last letters. Okay, this is the three conditions. So based on the conditions using this table you have to solve the 6 to 9 questions, students. Okay, so now very interesting paragraph this based on this, but this mock test and as well as this model will come for the next grand test also. Okay, see here UBTIZN. First of all, but in this all the conditions first and last letters conditions only. Once you need to observe first letter and last letter. First letter is vowel, last letter is consonant, means condition 1 you have to use. Condition 1, see first letter is vowel and last letter is consonant. See once in this first letter is vowel and last letter is consonant, using the symbol what? That code is must be star, but here also star. But remaining between letters there is no conditions, means using this table and write. What is the B code? Where it is B? B code is what? It is delta. So the next T. What is T code? T code is C circle. Next what is I code? I. Where it is I? I is 2. Then Z. Where it is Z? Z is 5. So that is the sixth one answer you need to check. Okay. So similarly, seventh one is Anil. Anil means first use observe in the first letter and the last letter. First letter is A-E-I-O-U vowel, first letter is A and the last letter is consonant. So again must be followed for in this first condition only. Vowel and the last letter is constant, means using the code is must be star. Okay. So in the between letters using this table, N is what? N is percentage symbol, and what is I? Where it is I? I is nothing but 2. So that is the seventh one answer. Very simple, but based on the conditions only you have to do. But based on the tables also options are given. But most of the students are writing that options. But based on the conditions little bit that will be changes. Using the conditions then follow the table. Okay. So the next eighth one is observe the first letter is E and the last letter is I. Means here first letter is vowel and last letter is also vowel. So in which condition? So first and last letters are vowels. So then means you have to go for third condition. But in the third condition, first letter and last letters are vowels, means used for first letter code only. First letter code only must be used. But in the first letter code is what? But where is the first letter code? E. E code is what? 4 only, no? So that's why using in the first and last also must be 4 only. So the remaining everything we have to follow for in this table. So F is nothing but beta, and W, where it is W is nothing but gamma, A is nothing but at the rate of, and R is nothing but 8. So this is about code for 8th question. Okay. So next ninth one is observe the first letter and last letter. First letter S and last letter is I. So here first letter is consonant, last letter is vowel. So which one? First letter is consonant, last letter is vowel, means the codes are interchanged, means you have to go for in the ninth question third condition. So first letter is consonant, last letter is vowel, that codes are interchanged. What is the code of S? S code is beta only, no? You have to take in the last, but the codes are interchanged. But what is the I code? I code is what? Where it is I code is 2, means you have to take in the starting. Okay, that is nothing but 2. So remaining everything will be same. R code is 8 and A code, where is A? A code is at the rate of, and V. Where is V? V is nothing but this symbol. So then next what about A? A is nothing but at the rate of N. N is nothing but percentage symbol. So once we need to check for the given option. So these are the 6 to 9 questions in that mock test for students. Okay. So next I am going to explain 10th question. So next model is 10 to 12 questions. So using this method, actually a friend of mine 4916 9 lots of metal 3109 and a piece of metal so 7163. So first of all you need to find out codes of this. So in that which is the common words first you need to find out. So actually in this all the three sentences here of will be common now, but in that all the three numbers the group of numbers but one number is repeated. So which is one number is repeated means see here one is repeated now, one is repeated here all the three groups of numbers. So that's why now here OF of code is what? 1. Of code is 1. So similarly next you need to check in this first and second, but here mine repeated no. So in this 1 and 2 here in this 2 which number is repeated means 9 is repeated no. So that's why mine code of mine is 9. So similarly so next here in this second and third metal. So in this 2 and 3 which is number is repeated? 3 is repeated means now here metal code is 3. Clear? So next similarly what are the any remaining repeated means see here in the 1 and 3 A is repeated now. A is repeated means in this 1 and 3 which is common terms will be there 1 and 3. 1 and 3 means here 6 is repeated now. So that's why A code is 6 only. So remaining so here in this only friend I want friend code. Friend code means here also only one is left means that is nothing but friend code is 4 only. See here also all will be completed here only lots will be there. LOTS lots code means here only 0 is pending means that code of lots is 0 and again here only piece only pending but here only which is the letter is pending means 7 means that piece code is 7. So using for that so you need to find out 10, 11, 12. Okay. So simply now here what is the code of piece? What is the code of piece? Piece code is what? 7 only now. So that is the 10th one answer. And next 9 stands for what? 9 stands for in which code means 9 stands for mine. Mine code is 9 only. So the 9 stands for but it is nothing but decoding process, right? Okay, inverse method, no? Reverse coding, right? So that is nothing but 9. And next a pleasure of mine. Not pleasure of mind, a piece of mind this is. A piece of mind. Okay. A piece of mind, what is the A code? A code is 6, piece code is 7 and off. Where is off? Off is 1 only. Mine is nothing but 9 only, right? So this is the 12th one answer. Okay. So this is 10 to 12th questions, 3 questions, paragraph solutions. Okay. So next I am going to explain next 13 to 15 questions are in the previous model only. See here letter and symbol are number or codes are given. Using this again 3 conditions are given. Based on the conditions you have to do this. Okay. So then first of all what is the condition number 1? If second letter and second and fifth letters are vowels, but in the given word second letter and fifth letter is vowel, then codes are interchanged. That codes are that second and fifth letter codes are interchanged. Second letter code is fifth letter code is second letter. Okay, that is first condition. Second condition is third letter is vowel, fourth letter is consonant, then third letter is vowel and fourth letter is consonant, then particular that condition, fourth letter code for first letter code you have to use in the fourth letter code. That is the condition number 2. And the third condition is there is no vowel in the particular sequence. There is no vowel. In that time using first letter and last letter codes are interchanged. So these are the 3 conditions. So now I will start the 13th question. So first of all I will take the first condition. For second letter is F and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First letter is C. Fifth letter is C. So both are vowels. No. So that's the first condition is not possible. Then what is the second condition? Third and fourth letter. So third letter is vowel. 1, 2, 3. Third letter is vowel. No, there is no vowel. Third letter. And fourth letter is consonant. Okay. Fourth letter is consonant. So that's the second condition also not possible. Then go for the third condition. If there is no vowel, first and last letters are interchanged. There is no vowels means here already vowels are there. Means but here in this one there is no conditions are possible. So that's why directly you will write the conditions what is the code of A means this symbol, and what is F? F is nothing but 6, and B is nothing but not is B, and W is nothing but where it is 5, and U code of U is 7, C code is 8, and I where is I code is C circle. Okay, so that is about 13th one. So then next go for 14th one. First you need to check in the first condition. Second and fifth letters are vowels. Second is vowel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, fifth letter is also vowel means. Then go for first condition only. First condition what I said here. Second and fifth are vowels. Then codes are interchanged. Means what is the E code? Code of E. Where it is E. E means at the rate means you take here. Interchanged. Now what is the A code? Code of A is this. Yasha, that is okay, using this, that codes are remaining everything will be same from the table. So then next what is U code? U code is 7 and C code is 8 and T code is 9 and where is P? P code is star. So that is the second one solution. Okay, means 14th one. So then I am going to explain 15th one. First again you need to check, but here second and fifth letters are vowels. Second letter is F means there is no vowel. So that's why that is the first condition is does not follow. And go for second condition. Third letter is vowel and fourth letter is consonant. Third letter is vowel. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Third letter is vowel. Fourth letter is consonant. Then go for second condition. Okay. So then, but here third letter. But then what will happen? Fourth letter code is for the first letter. For what is the first letter code? T. No. What is the T code? T code is nothing but 9 means. But in this fourth letter code must be right in the what is the first letter code? You write in the fourth letter code. Remaining everything same. So F is what? Where is F? F is 6. A is nothing but Yash. Next I is nothing but where it is I is nothing but C circle, and M where is it is M is nothing but 3. So this is about 15th question. So these are the mock test for 1 to 15 questions. For the next video I will explain for 16 to 30 questions.